Okay, so Cardano versus Ethereum. Which is the better long-term investment? Okay, guys, so welcome to the video. My name is Tariq. I upload crypto-related content and other lifestyle videos on this channel. So, if you guys want to know about Cardano versus Ethereum, this seems to be a really popular topic because these are basically number 2 and number 3 behind Bitcoin, guys. Okay, so you guys have been following my channel for some time. You know how much I like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is real money. But obviously, we're not going to put necessarily 100% of our money into Bitcoin, especially if we want to gain more Bitcoin using a trading strategy and things like that. So we're going to talk about these two altcoins. So to give you guys a quick breakdown on where they rank, as you can see here as of recording this video, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency with a $380 billion market cap, trading around $3,200. Cardano is number 3 with a $83 billion market cap, trading around $2.61. So we're going to kind of compare these two cryptos and give you guys which one is the best long-term investment. So if you guys like my channel, you guys enjoy my content, please smash the subscribe button and smash the like button as well, and turn on the notifications bell to get updated when I upload any new videos. So let's get right into it, guys. So let's just head over to a really excellent page on Kraken and kind of give some nice stats side by side. So let's first start off when the date was founded. Okay, Cardano was founded in September 2017, and Ethereum went live in 2015. So right off the bat, Ethereum is a little bit older. And usually when it comes to cryptocurrencies, okay, the older cryptocurrency is usually going to be the more valuable one, simply because it's just had more time for people to come onto the network. Okay, so Cardano was created by a team based in Hong Kong of Jeremy Wood and Charles Hoskinson, along with others. And Hoskinson also co-founded Ethereum. So Ethereum was created by Vitalik Buterin. So as you can see here, guys, both Charles Hoskinson was involved in both of these cryptocurrencies, which is really interesting. Okay, so as you can see, Cardano trades under ADA and Ethereum trades under ETH. So now let's talk about a couple of the uses before we give you guys some price predictions, things like that. So basically, Ethereum is basically leading the whole DeFi NFT movement. So you need Ethereum if you're going to buy NFTs on OpenSea or something like that. It's all based in Ethereum. And if you're going to use DeFi, right? So platforms like Aave, Compound, okay? These are all Ethereum tokens, right? So Ethereum is kind of the backbone of DeFi, decentralized finance, as more and more people are moving away from, maybe not right away, but more and more people are eventually moving away from traditional banking. So that's exactly what that is going to entail. And then we have Cardano. So Cardano's a little bit different, okay? So there's been a lot of complaints about the energy usage on Ethereum, these proof-of-work coins, right? So proof-of-work coins is like the old school Bitcoin, Ethereum, and things like that. And they use this by miners. So miners are confirming the transactions on the blockchain. This takes a lot of energy. Cardano is proof of stake, okay? So when I talk about proof of stake, it's basically a little bit different. So I want to talk about this kind of more detail. So it says to secure the network, Cardano uses Ouroboros, a consensus mechanism similar to proof of stake that enables users to validate transactions. So users validating the transactions on the Cardano network, and that's why it uses a lot less energy. Okay, whereas Ethereum, it's still basically confirmed with proof of work miners, just like Bitcoin. So a lot of people have had a lot of concerns. People like Elon Musk have come out here and said that these proof of work forms like Ethereum and Bitcoin, they use too much energy. So it looks like more and more people are more into getting into the proof of stake coins. That's why we've seen Cardano, Solana, all of these coins kind of go to the moon. So now let's talk a little bit about supply. So this is really interesting and kind of where things kind of change a little bit. So Ethereum was actually sold when it was initially, okay? So it wasn't like Bitcoin where you initially mined it. The Ethereum Foundation sold a bunch of Ethereum, raised a bunch of money, and the same thing was done with Cardano, okay? They issued a bunch of coins and they sold a bunch to investors. So that's one of the knocks on these altcoins, okay? Bitcoin's a little bit different. No one sold Bitcoin. You had to mine it. Every Bitcoin ever earned was mined. Whereas these altcoins like Cardano, Ethereum, they were basically sold to investors. So there were some people that got into these cryptocurrencies really early on, and they made a ton of money. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So if we take a look here at these charts here, we can kind of look and see. So I just want to kind of move myself out of the way so I can click the button here on Trading View. So if we take a look here, over the last year, okay, Ethereum is up 700%, ADA is up almost 2,000%. These coins have been absolutely ridiculous. If we kind of look back a little bit further here, we can see that, you know, Ethereum had basically been trading basically for a long time, even just a couple of years ago, okay, a couple $100 per coin, and then the price absolutely skyrocketed on Ethereum. So there's been massive gains there, guys. A really nice opportunity as well. ADA has also been a phenomenal producer. Okay, at one point, you know, ADA wasn't really. I just want to take off so I can show you guys ADA. ADA at one point was like 10 cents, something like that. And then we could take a look at the 5-year chart. We could see that it had basically been flat for a long time. So, you know, the returns on both of these cryptos have been really phenomenal. You really done well, regardless of which one you've purchased. So now I want to get into which one is the better investment. And to talk about that, we're going to have to get into a couple of things where we're looking at basically supply. Okay, usually supply is going to basically dictate a lot of the investment returns, simply because something is rare. It's usually going to be you know, more sought after. So if we take a look here back over at CoinMarketCap, we can see that here ADA has a max supply. You guys can see that. ADA has a max supply of 45 billion tokens, while Ethereum doesn't really have a max supply. Okay, no one's really sure exactly how many there are. Hopefully they're going to make some changes to that with the new Ethereum upgrade with Ethereum 2.0 that should be rolling out in the future. And maybe we can have a more realistic you know, debate on how much Ethereum actually exists, because it's not like Bitcoin with a fixed supply of 21,000, and it's not like a Cardano with a fixed supply of 45 billion. So we're really kind of in the dark here. But let's talk about investment performance, okay? So when we're talking about which one is the better long-term investment, we're looking at which is going to compound at a higher growth rate. So right now, most likely, if you're looking for the best returns, okay, you're definitely going to try to look into the coin that I think has the lower supply, which means that in the long run, the returns are going to be greater, okay? So that's basically looking at Ethereum, okay? Ethereum looks to me, assuming the Ethereum 2 upgrade, assuming they can fix the high gas fees and stuff like that, Ethereum is just going to probably have better returns. Now, the problem with Cardano is that simply there's a supply problem, okay? There's just too many coins, okay? There's 45 billion coins. There's still 13 billion coins to be issued. As you can see here, the circulating supply is 32 million, and 45 billion is the max supply. So the supply is just far greater than Ethereum. So Ethereum is just much rarer, much more sought after. And Ethereum is simply the backbone of decentralized finance, okay? Cardano is still, we're not really sure what's going on here. I think a lot of this run-up is based on a lot of hype. Cardano still doesn't have any applications. It doesn't have any smart contracts yet. Although they're launching a bunch of things, it's still anticipation. So we're looking at an $83 billion market cap here with really no use cases right now, other than a few contracts with Ethiopia and stuff like that. But so far, Cardano really hasn't proven itself, unlike Ethereum, which is completely taking over the DeFi space, completely taking over NFTs. NFT market is booming like crazy. It's up a massive amount year to date. OpenSea is doing billions and billions of volume, which is up huge over the last year. So we've really seen use cases for Ethereum as a solid investment increase. Cardano, I think there's a bit more risk on Cardano. So, you know, looking at what Cardano's done, I think it's a phenomenal coin, but I think there's more risk here, okay? It just seems like it's far overextended. The gains have been awesome, but you know, like you see here, year to date, Cardano's up 1,300%. You know, but we saw similar things. I think if you guys are into the stock market and things like with AMC and stuff like that, how it's had a huge run up, and then after that, it's kind of the wind's falling out of the sails. So I would say Ethereum is probably a more solid bet in the long run. Now, right now, I do hold a position in ADA. I'm looking to probably once I'm already up around 100% on it, so I'm probably looking to sell half of it and buy Bitcoin. But usually when I'm looking at these altcoins, it's about taking profits, moving into Bitcoin. That's ultimately what you want to do. You want to stack as much Bitcoin as possible. Bitcoin is still the best overall coin to hodl. You can use a lot of these altcoins to make money and then take profits and move them into Bitcoin. So that's my take, guys. I think Ethereum is probably a better long-term investment. I think ADA is very interesting. With both these coins, you can earn interest by putting them in places like Voyager app, Celsius, Nexo. So be sure to just check some of the links in the description below if you wanted to earn interest on your Cardano or your Ethereum. I like both coins. I like Cardano because it's cheap, and I like Ethereum because it has a lower supply and it's funding the whole DeFi space. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, when you have a crypto portfolio, hey, there's nothing wrong with having multiple projects. You know, I have Bitcoin and Cardano. I don't have any Ethereum right now, but like I said, you know, if you wanted to build a portfolio out, this is not financial advice, but there's nothing wrong with kind of diversifying a little bit. You don't have to simply go all in on one thing. That's the good thing about crypto. You have lots of options here. There are literally over 11,000 crypto coins, so you have a lot of choices at your disposal. So I hope this guys gave you guys some solid information. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, hit the red subscribe button to see more video updates from me. So that's it until next time, guys. Take care.